Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Sean and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to share with you my thoughts around the ultimate mobile gaming setup for iOS. So for a while now I've had the iPad Pro 10.5 inch model for probably about a year now with some Beats Solo 3 headphones, which is primarily what I use when I travel. And today I was in the Apple store getting a few things sorted out, getting my phone repaired and getting a laptop booked in for repair as well. And there was a controller from a company called SteelSeries that I've been looking at for a while to travel with as well for when I decide to maybe play some casual games. So while I was there, I picked up the controller. I've got the controller with me now. We're going to unbox it. And I think with the iPad, the headphones, the controller, and having that as like a setup for mobile gaming is going to be really appealing to a lot of people. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the controller and a review, and then we're going to pair them all together and see how they all perform and work. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's begin. Okay, so the SteelSeries Nimbus controller. We'll pull it out of the box, chuck the packaging on the table, pull it open. So first impressions, we've got a bit of packaging to protect it. In the box here, we've got the manual, so we'll chuck that away because we probably won't use it, and the controller, and that's pretty much it. So the controller itself, not too bad. So on the back here, we've got the Bluetooth button for pairing, the hold button, I'm assuming that's for maybe locking in a setting, probably have to read the manual, the lightning port for recharging the battery. Doesn't come with a lightning cable, just probably should mention that as well. The buttons on the front, so you've got the joysticks here, the D-pad, menu button, and then you've got the pressure sensitive triggers on the back as well. So first thoughts, it's really comfortable in the hand. If you've been gaming on Xbox or PlayStation, it's going to be really easy to get used to. Not too heavy. The plastic is like a soft touch plastic. There's no real textured surface anywhere. So if you are, if you do prefer controllers that do have a bit of textured grips, then maybe this one's not going to be suitable for you. But overall, first impressions, it's going to be really easy to get used to, and it's quite comfortable as well. The controller was, I'm not sure if it's in focus here, but it's $99.95 in Australia. So depending on your country, it could be more or less, so you just have to, I guess, check the Apple Store online or the SteelSeries website and find a local retailer near you. Alright guys, so first thing we need to do is actually on the iPad is go into the settings and make sure that our Bluetooth is turned on. Then the second thing we need to do is on the controller, there's a hold button, and if we push that to the right, what should happen is on the controller we should get some flashing red LEDs, which is putting it into pairing mode. And then with the Nimbus controller, it should come up as a device that you can pair with. Just need to simply tap on that and that will pair the controller with the iPad. Now, what I'm also going to do, since I have some Beats headphones here as well, is I'm going to pair those up as well. So we're going to turn those on and we're going to tap on headphones. And so now we can see we've got the Nimbus controller and the Beats Solo headphones connected as well. So now the third thing we want to do is play some games. So I've loaded up Real Racing. So we'll open up Real Racing, we'll hit resume, and we're pretty much off and racing. So now we've got the game running with the controller and all of the audio coming through the headphones. So this is an awesome portable gaming setup for iOS. As far as the games that you can play with the controller, I'll just press pause here by pressing the menu button and get out of the iPad. The controller actually has a companion application. So in the App Store, if you search Nimbus, you'll see that there's an application called the SteelSeries Nimbus Companion app, which I've already installed. And what that will give you is a list of all the compatible apps that work with the controller. Now, I have found out the hard way that games like Fortnite and PUBG don't work with the controller as of yet. The developer might be adding support for the controller in the future. There is some ways to get the controller to work, which requires a jailbreak, which I don't really want to go into. So if you want to make sure that the controller works for the game that you're going to play, recommend checking out the Nimbus app first, as it has a full list of all the games that is compatible with the controller, just to give you some peace of mind before you run out and buy the controller. Thanks for watching this video. If you did like this video, then be sure to give me a thumbs up. Consider hitting the subscribe button down below. And if you want to buy any of the gear in this video, I'll leave the Amazon affiliate link to that as well. You can follow me or ask me any questions on Facebook and Instagram. And hopefully this video helps you decide whether or not to buy the controller or not, or whatever it might be. So if you have any questions, make sure to hit me up, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.